green thumb gardener here, and here we're doing a sheet mulch. So sheet mulch is also called spaghetti gardening, is where you put down cardboard over a lawn. And what the cardboard does is it actually decomposes, it smothers the weeds, and it suffocates them. And we put mulch on top of this. We just did the cardboard today. We're going to be doing the mulch the next day. And what that's going to do is it's going to kill all the weeds underneath, and then it's ready for doing some planting. So that's one thing that you could do to, save water. You could convert your lawn to a drought-tolerant garden, and we could have it all fixed up using drip irrigation. So then it uses a little water, so you don't have that big water bill either. Putting in a pineapple guava tree. So the thing that's important when you're putting in this tree is to make sure that the crown of the tree is about even with the soil level, or sometimes you want to be a little bit higher. If it's a citrus tree, you want to plant the crown a little bit higher, and you definitely don't want to bury the crown. That's a common mistake that I see sometimes. So I just dug the hole out about twice as big as the plant to make sure that the level is even. And then I want to mix, I already put a little bit of fertilizer in there, and I want to mix some of the native soil with some of the compost here that I put down in here. And you want to make sure that it's watered in really good too. So those are the things that you want to make sure. And this is a real cool bush here. This is a pineapple guava. And the cool thing about this is that you could eat the flowers of it. And if you just eat the flowers and you don't eat the pistil and stamen of the flower, then you could actually eat it twice. So you could eat the fruit once that comes, and then you could also eat the flower. Alright, so what I built here is a little berm. This berm, it goes around the tree, and usually you see berms if you're on a hillside, because otherwise if you water it in, it's just going to run off. So what the berm does, it holds all the water in there, so all the water is going at the base of the plant instead of running off somewhere else. We put drippers right here. These are fully adjustable, so you could adjust the water flow that comes in here. And also if there gets some crud inside of the line, then you could unscrew this and blast it out and then put it back on. And this is a self-fertile variety. This is a Stella cherry. See here, Stella. And yeah, this is the one to have if you're only going to have one cherry tree, because you could have fruit from this one. You don't need two like other kinds like Bing or Black Tatarian. Yeah, here we have the graft of the tree, and yeah, here it is here. And you don't want to bury that because that could cause problems for the tree. So you want to keep that exposed. That's a common problem that I see sometimes in some landscapes, because some gardeners don't know that you're not supposed to bury that. So you want to keep that exposed because it could start to rot and that could damage the tree. All right, happy gardening.